Howdy, howdy, folks. Today I'm going to be teaching you. What am I teaching you about? Today I'm teaching you about microwave safeties and dangers. You were taught how to ride a bike. You were taught how to wash your hands. You were taught how to tie your shoe. But were you taught how to properly use a microwave? Rule 1. Do not put silverware in the microwave. It could ruin it. Rule 2. Do not put aluminum foil in the microwave. Rule number 3. Do not put paper bags in the microwave. They could catch fire. Every year there are 4 deaths from microwaves. So be cautious of what you do. For more information, go to www.who.int.com.